Sociology is studying society systematically. We look at all levels of society, from the individual level, small groups, to even globalization. We also look at the structures of society, such as institutions, groups, and how does that also influence individuals' identities and interactions. So the main skills that a sociology major or minor receives is research, learning how to do research systematically, being introduced to basic statistical analysis and some of the major techniques sociologists use, such as how to do survey research, how to do field work. We have several courses that are community-based learning courses where students get a chance to apply what they've learned in the classroom by working with different communities. We also have a community development and organizing specialization where students have a chance to do a semester-long internship to be able to develop skills, whether it's research or working hands-on with the community. So many sociology majors go on to work in international organizations, particularly in development, like the United Nations. Some work in local non-governmental organizations in the fields of education, community development, gender, poverty alleviation, and also students, many of them have gone on to international schools to teach sociology or related fields. Some have gone on to journalism, and some have entered fields where having these research skills and being able to do statistical analysis like marketing research, that they could enter fields that maybe they've never even thought of before.